You work on all types of BMWs?
You know, I'll do anything on a BMW except for real late model things where I don't have the knowledge. Generally what we work on is BMWs between the years of early 90s through about 08, 09, 10. After that, though, a lot of those cars are still at the dealer under warranty. So generally that 20 or 30 years of cars keeps us real busy here in this shop. We're only 4 people here, and so basically we just stay super busy just doing BMWs. We really don't need another product right now.